I'm Heather with WTI. I need to show you the Kebada gloves. We've used these in so many different ways. We have a set for me and a set for him. So this is one of those things you absolutely need in your life. The black latex coating is thick enough to provide safety and protection. I tried to trial these and test these as best as I could. Took them out and held hot burning logs. Yes, that's not what they're necessarily for, but I wanted to see if they would still hold up after that with cutting and doing some of the outside chores that I do that usually blow a glove out. They are extremely warm. A nice texture with the insulation on the inside. Great grip here. They're waterproof winter gloves and they have two layers. The outer coating is insulated in order to keep you warm even in sub-zero weather. These are great for my gardening. I always blow out a glove with multiple fingers ripped out by the time I'm finished with my job, but these hold up really well. They keep my hands protected, but also allow the dexterity to grab hold of whatever you're working on, not having to worry about losing that dexterity because of the bulkiness of a protective glove. I need to be able to grab a weed really tightly, otherwise I'll just do it with my bare hands. So these have helped in that area too. Chores, yard work, gardening, snow shoveling, car washing, pool cleaning, so many different ways that these come in handy. And you just machine wash them and tumble dry like a typical glove. The one tried and true test for me is if I can wear my ring inside the glove. Look how strong that is. It's not ripping out of there. These are truly well made from the inside out, and I like that I can have them in both of our sizes. I love having the dexterity, being able to do what I would normally do with my bare hand, but have the protection that I need. I am all about the Kebada glove. I know you will be too. That's my point of view.